aircraft carrier. Aircraft carrier, aircraft carrier. B is for boat, 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 boat. C is for canoe, 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 canoe. D is for dough, dough, dough. E is for emergency lifeboat, emergency lifeboat, emergency lifeboat, emergency lifeboat. F is for ferry, 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 ferry. G is for gondola, 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 gondola. H is for hovercraft, 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 hovercraft. I is for icebreaker, 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 icebreaker. J is for jet ski, jet ski, jet ski, jet ski. K is for kayak, kayak, kayak. L is for lifeboat, 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 lifeboat. M is for motorboat, 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 motorboat. N is for naval ship, naval ship, naval ship, naval ship. O is for oil tanker, oil tanker, oil tanker, oil tanker. P is for paddleboat, 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 paddleboat. Q is for quick catamaran, 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 catamaran. R is for rowboat, 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 rowboat. S is for submarine, 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 submarine. T is for tugboat, 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 tugboat. U is for utility boat, utility boat, utility boat, utility boat. V is for vessel, 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 vessel. W is for water scooter, water scooter, water scooter, water scooter, water scooter. X is for X-craft submarine, X-craft submarine, X-craft submarine, X-craft submarine. Y is for yacht, yacht, yacht. Z is for Zeppelin, 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 Zeppelin. From A to Z we've learned today water vehicles that float and sail away. Come sing it again, join in with me. Learning with water vehicles is fun, you'll see.